If u equal to tan inverse of 2xy by x square minus y square, prove that dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square equal to 0. This equation is also Laplace equation in two variables. Just if you prove that Euler's equation means the Euler's equation is also the same thing, dou square. The function is involving in how many variables, then the second order same function. Sum of those partial derivatives is equal to 0, then that is the Euler's equation only. But if they won't mention the Euler's, just they have to give in like this, prove that means just so you can go through that only. Yeah, first we can take here the given function, let u equal to tan inverse of 2xy by x square minus y square. Okay, here you know that the tan inverse x differentiation is, first you have an idea, d by dx of tan inverse x. What is the differential formula? That is 1 by 1 plus x square.
X square.
X differentiation is 1 only. Okay, but here the function is involving only single variable means it's enough, but here the function is involving two variables. So again you can take the differentiation of this 2xy by x square minus y square. That is simply you can keep on concentrate about the when we are differentiating the tan inverse, it's over. And again we can take the tan having which function, that differentiation. Okay, if you leave that differentiation you will get the wrong answer. So first you find out the dou u by dou x. That is differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. That is nothing but this is total is treating as some one function. 1 by 1 plus 2xy by x square minus y square whole square. Is it clear?
Yes,
Next,
ma'am.
taking derivative of 2xy by x square minus y square. If you leave this term, this differentiation, then you will get wrong. Okay, that's why you concentrate what is the given function, differentiate. It is equal to 1 by simplify of this denominator term. 1 plus 4x square y square by x square minus y square whole square. It's over. Now we are taking the differentiation of u by v. That's u by v means v into x square minus y square is v, and derivative with respect to x, 2y is a constant, x derivative is 1, minus u is 2xy. V derivative means x square differentiation is 2x, y square differentiation is 0. So I can close that by x square minus y square whole square. Okay. Next, taking the LCM of this term, 1 by x square minus y square whole square plus 4x square y square. The denominator term taking to numerator, it is x square minus y square whole square into this simplification. 2 is taking common, x square y minus y cube minus x square y. X into x, x square y, it is 2x square y. Or 2y into x square is 2x square y minus 2y cube minus into plus minus 2 to the 4 x square y. Its denominator is x square minus y square whole square. These two are get cancelled. It is equal to, from this taking minus, it's plus 2x square y minus 2x square y. It is minus 2x square y, minus is taking outside, minus 2y cube. Sorry, minus common means plus 2y cube by expansion of this x to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4 minus 2x square y square plus 2x square y square. Sorry, plus 4x square y square. It is equal to 2 is taking common and y is also common. Then it is x square plus y square by, and here minus 2x square y plus 2x square y. It is x to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4 plus 2x square y square. And again the denominator is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we can write as x square plus y square whole square. This square, this term cancel. It is equal to minus 2y by x square plus y square. So from this we can write dou u by dou x equal to minus 2y by x square plus y square. It is the first derivative only. Next, again we can take the differentiation with respect to x only. Why? Because it's over. The first term will over. Taking differentiation, dou square u by dou x square, it is equal to dou by dou x of minus 2y by x square plus y square. If you go through u by v method, or simply you can take minus 2y. I am going through u by v method only. V differentiate v into, that is x square plus y square. Minus 2y differentiation with respect to x, that is nothing but it will be 0. Minus u is minus 2y. V differentiation with respect to x is 2x by x square plus y square whole square. It is equal to minus into minus plus 2 to the 4 xy by x square plus y square whole square. So dou square u by dou x square is 4xy by x square plus y square whole square. Next, to find out the dou u by dou y, that is equal to dou by dou y of tan inverse of 2xy by x square minus y square. Okay. Now differentiating with respect to y in tan inverse, that is 1 by 1 plus x square, that is 2xy by x square minus y square whole square. Again differentiating with respect to y of 2xy by x square minus y square. It is equal to 1 by, here taking the LCM and simplify, x square minus y square whole square plus 2 to the 4 x square y square. This denominator term is taking to numerator, that is x square minus y square whole square. Again its derivative. Derivative is v, that is x square minus y square. U is differentiating with respect to y. 2x is a constant. Y differentiation is 1 minus 2xy into denominator differentiation, that is x square minus y square differentiation with respect to y. X square differentiation is 0 minus y square differentiation is 2y over x square minus y square whole square. These two are get cancelled. Then in the denominator, we can simplify as applying of standard identity a minus b whole square, a square, that is x square whole square, x to the power of 4, y to the power of 4, minus 2x square y square plus 4x square y square. Here in the numerator multiply 2x cube minus 2xy square minus into minus plus 4xy square. It is dou u by dou y equal to, in the numerator, minus 2xy y square plus 4xy square is 2x cube plus 2xy square divides, it is x to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4 plus 2x square y square. In the numerator, taking common 2x, then the remaining terms are x square plus y square. In the denominator, it is in the standard identity expansion. We can simplify that x square plus y square whole square. This degree, this will get cancelled. It is equal to 2xy x square plus y square. From this, dou u by dou y equal to 2x by x square plus y square. It is the first derivative of y variable. Again, differentiation with respect to y. Dou square u by dou y square. It is equal to dou by dou y of 2x by x square plus y square. Again, applying the u by v form. V. Yes, Chapu.
ఇక్కడ డో యూ బై డో వైలో మీరు ఇక్కడ 2x క్యూబ్ ప్లస్ 2xy స్క్వేర్ బై x పవర్ 4 ప్లస్ y పవర్ 4 ప్లస్ 2x స్క్వేర్ y స్క్వేర్ తీసుకున్నారు కదా.
అవును.
ఈక్వల్స్ ఇక్కడ డో యూ బై డో వైలో 2x పైన స్టెప్ లో, ఆ సెకండ్ స్టెప్ లో మీరు కింద ఇది ప్లస్ 2x స్క్వేర్ y స్క్వేర్ ఎందుకు తీసుకోలేదు డినామినేటర్ లో ఇచ్చాడు. ఇక్కడ పైన మీరు 2x కామన్ తీసుకొని x స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ y స్క్వేర్ తీసుకున్నారు.
అవునవును.
కింద x పవర్ 4 ప్లస్ y పవర్ 4 ప్లస్
ఎందుకు తీసుకోలేదు? ఓకే, x స్క్వేర్ హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ y స్క్వేర్ హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 2 ఇంటూ x స్క్వేర్ ఇంటూ y.
ఓకే ఓకే ఓకే, అర్థమైంది 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 అర్థమైంది.
ఓకే, next it is in u by v. V is x square plus y square. 2x derivative with respect to y means it's 0 minus Prashanti. 1 minute. Its u is 2x. V derivative is x square differentiation is 0. Y square differentiation is 2y whole by x square plus y square whole square. It is equal to 2 to the minus 4xy by x square plus y square whole square. From this, dou square u by dou y square equal to minus 4xy by x square plus y square whole square. Okay. This is the second derivative. Just you can take the first derivative, whatever it is. It is the dou square u by dou x square is plus 4xy by x square plus y square whole square. Dou square u by dou y square is minus 4xy by x square plus y square whole square. Both terms are same, but the signs are different. So, you can take LHS is equal to dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square equal to 4xy by x square plus y square whole square minus 4xy by x square plus y square whole square. If you take plus here, then you can take here minus. Then the same terms means get cancelled. It is equal to 0. It is the RHS. Therefore, dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square equal to 0. Fifth problem, if z equal to f of x plus ay plus pi of x minus ay, prove that dou square z by dou y square equal to a square into dou square z by dou x square. Here the given function, let z equal to, it has the two functions having the two variables, f of x plus ay plus pi of x minus ay. We can take the differentiation with respect to x and y for second order. Dou z by dou x equal to, both are having the functions of x and y variable. So first we can differentiation of the function f means, that is f dash of x plus ay. What is the x coefficient is there? Again x plus ay, that is dou by dou x of x plus ay plus pi of x minus ay means pi dash of x minus ay, again dou by dou x of x minus ay. It is equal to f dash of x plus ay. X coefficient is 1, so it is x derivative 1 only. It's 0. So this is 1 plus pi dash of x minus ay. Here also x differentiation is 1, ay differentiation is 0. This is also 1. Again take the double differentiation, that is dou square z by dou x square is equal to dou by dou z of f dash of x plus ay plus pi dash of x minus ay. Again differentiate dou by dou x square. F dash derivative is f double dash of x plus ay, again dou by dou x of x plus ay plus pi dash derivative is pi double dash of x minus ay, again derivative of x minus ay. You concentrate that only, the function having which variables, summation. It is equal to the same like above only, f double dash of x plus ay, x derivative is 1, ay derivative is 0, so it is 1 plus pi double dash of x minus ay, x derivative is 1, ay derivative is 0. This is f double dash of x plus ay plus pi double dash of x minus ay. It is dou square z by dou x square. Next we can find out dou square z by dou y square. For that, first dou z by dou y equal to dou by dou y of f of x plus ay plus pi of x minus ay. It is equal to f derivative is f dash of x plus ay, again x plus ay differentiation with respect to y, that is x plus ay, dou by dou y of, plus pi dash differentiate, pi differentiation is pi dash of x minus ay, again dou by dou y of what is the involving function is there, x minus ay. It is equal to f dash of x plus ay, x differentiation with respect to y, it will be 0, ay differentiation is a only, plus pi dash of x minus ay. Here also x differentiation is 0, minus ay differentiation is minus a. It is equal to a f dash of x plus ay minus a pi dash of x minus ay. Again differentiate with respect to y, that is dou square z by dou y square. It is equal to dou by dou y of dou z by dou y. It is equal to dou by dou y of a f dash of x plus ay minus a pi dash of x minus ay. It is equal to a is a constant, f dash derivative is again its derivative, that is f double dash of x plus ay, again dou by dou y of x plus ay minus a pi dash derivative is pi double dash of x minus ay, dou by dou y of x minus ay. It is equal to a f double dash of x plus ay, again x derivative is 0, ay derivative is a minus a pi double dash of x minus ay. Here also x derivative is 0, minus ay derivative is minus a. It is equal to a into a square f double dash of x plus ay minus into minus plus a into a square pi double dash of x minus ay. In these two terms, a square is taking common, f double dash of x plus ay plus pi double dash of x minus ay. It is equal to a square into, this is dou square z by dou x square. Since dou square z by dou x square equal to f double dash of x plus ay plus pi double dash of x plus x minus ay. Therefore, dou square z by dou y square equal to a square into dou square z by dou x square. This is the solution.